Welcome to the GraphQL and its terminology section. GraphQL primary concepts. In this video, we will be looking into concepts such as connections, nodes, edges, along with types and the different types in which GraphQL is divided into. Let's go ahead and start learning about GraphQL and its primary concepts. Since the creator of GraphQL likes to think in terms of graphs, it made sense that the original type of thinking has been incorporated into its conceptual design. That being said, that line of thought takes us into looking what edges, nodes, and connections are. As you can see the diagram, the circles are known as nodes, which are usually objects or entities when it comes to data. Edges are the lines between nodes, and connections are how these nodes are related to one another. A few examples: friends, workers, etc. Our next GraphQL concept is known as types. There are two types of concepts: system and language. Each one is different and has its own purpose, as we will look deeper into the next slide. The first of the types within GraphQL is the type system. The main purpose of the type system is to validate queries. Even though the main purpose of the type system is to validate queries, it is not utilized only for validating. It is also utilized to execute queries as well. The type system is also divided into definitions: schema definitions, type definitions, and directive definitions. These three definitions of the type system will become clearer once we continue learning about GraphQL and its terminology. The type system can be extended into schema extensions and type extensions. The emphasis here is extensions. Why, are you most likely asking or wondering? In danger of repeating myself, extensions are extended from a previously starting point. Think of this concept as starting with a template and adding to the original template, which is why it is called an extension. For these cases, it's either a schema or a type being extended. The type language is a language you will be utilizing much more frequently because it is used to create and define schemas. Hence the reason it is called the schema definition language. In case you ever hear from other GraphQLers talking about the SDL, the schema definition language is also known as SDL for short. In this video, we have learned about connections, nodes, edges, the different types within GraphQL, the type system, the type language,